Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make pork and chives dumplings from scratch. It's very simple and we're also making our homemade dumpling wrappers. So first, let's make our wrappers. Of course you can also just buy this, but it's actually so easy to make. And this is how we do it. We only need 2 ingredients. In a large bowl, add the flour, water, and then combine these two together until you form a dough ball. It's much easier to mix with your hands, so just wash them before mixing, or otherwise you can also use a stand mixer. If it's too dry, you can add a bit more water to help it come together nicely. So finally we've made our dough ball, and now we just need to cut this into 4 pieces. We need to roll each piece into a log. It's nice and easy. Then we will cut this into 8 smaller pieces. So we take one piece and flatten it into a round circle approximately 10 centimeters in diameter using a rolling pin. Repeat this with each piece until you're done. Place it on a plate lightly coated with flour so it doesn't stick together, and I also like to add a bit of flour in between each sheet. Now let's make our pork and chives filling. We need to mince a garlic and chop our chop our chives. Then I'm gonna put this in a mixing bowl, so we just add the meat, chives, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and egg to make the filling come together. Just keep mixing until the filling is evenly combined. To assemble the dumpling, scoop around a tablespoon of filling to the center of the dumpling wrapper. Using your finger, fold the edges to form pleats like this, and then gently pinch it to seal the dumplings. The wrapper should be moist enough so that it will just stick together. If it's not, you can lightly coat it with water. There are several ways to cook our dumplings. You can pan fry, steam, or boil, but this is my favorite way of cooking. On a frying pan over medium heat, add some oil, just enough to cover it, and once it's hot enough, add the dumplings. When the bottom of the dumplings start to brown, add a splash of water and cover it with a lid. Steam for about 5 minutes or until the dumplings are cooked and the water has evaporated. While waiting, we can make our sauce. So in a small bowl, add soy sauce, wine vinegar, sesame oil, then mix together. Let's check our dumplings again. We can see that the bottom is golden brown and it's fully cooked as well. So just transfer it onto a plate and it's ready for us to eat. Let me know in the comment section what recipe you want to see next, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok for more updates. See you in the next one.